Hey everyone, it's Theresa with Yellow Daisy. Welcome back. Or if you're new, welcome to our channel. We have a very exciting new project that we are currently working on, and we thought that we would bring you along with us. The house that you're looking at is my mother's childhood home, and we are currently renovating it for her so that she could rent it out. So what we thought we would do is just kind of bring you different videos in different phases of this renovation. In this video, it is going to be the tour of the house before we did anything to it. This house was built in the early 1940s and it is a Cape Cod style. It currently is a 2-bedroom, 1-bath home. And we plan on making it a 3-bedroom, 1-bath. So as you'll see in future videos, all the renovations and demolition that we've done. And I hope you enjoy this video. Sit back and enjoy the tour. My aunt lived in the home for many years, and now that it is vacant, we are not only doing the renovation, we are having to clean it out, purge, and decide things that we want to keep in the family and things that we are going to sell. Many years ago, there was an addition put on the back of the house, and it was the kitchen, the laundry room, and another little back room area. On this back addition, on the ceiling, they have ceiling tiles, so that's one of the things that we are updating, along with the flooring in this whole back area. And this is the room that we plan on making a 3rd bedroom. So we're going to be demoing the wood stove, closing the wall little opening that's behind us that we just walked through there, and then making a door on the opposite side of the wood burner stove. And there's my sweet mom. I'll tell you, it really is, it's hard going through this stuff. So many memories and emotions, but we know that this is the best thing to do at this house. Keep it in the family. So we're really excited about that. Oh my gosh, and now for the garage. This, it's just a mess. There is a couple little treasures in here, but for the most part, it's just trash that needs to be put into the dumpster. I don't know about y'all, but I despise cleaning out a garage. So this task is just very, very daunting. I really hope that you enjoyed this video and that you'll follow us along on this adventure of our rental fixer-upper. We do plan on doing this on a very, very tight budget, so we can bring you along and give you updates on that as well. We're so very lucky that my husband can do most of this work. We'll only have to hire the sheetrockers to hang the sheetrock as far as subcontractors for this project. So until the next video, have a great day, and if you're not subscribed, hit subscribe. Also hit that notification bell so that you know when we have a new video coming up, and we'll talk to you in the next one.